This short movie will take you through the steps on how to clear an overridden minimum night stay using the control panel. This feature allows you to quickly change the minimum night stay for multiple rate types and categories from one screen. When minimum nights are changed from the control panel, both RMS8 and online will read from this new setting. The data window on the chart, shown when you hover your mouse over any cell, will display the min nights number in black to indicate that it has not been overridden. Let's go through the steps. From the chart, select the button named Control Panel. Select the dates you wish to clear the overridden minimum nights for. Select the property and/or categories you wish to affect. From the Values section, choose Minimum Stay. Place a tick in the option named Clear Overridden Min Stay. Lastly, choose which rate type you wish to apply this change to. Once all sections are completed, select Apply, Exit. Your data window will now display the min nights in black.